And here we are back again with a trade recap. I mean, it's been actually a while since I've been doing trade recaps. And yeah, today is Monday 18th. As you can see here in the Discord. Also, there was 11th was the other Monday, but I didn't bother showing the evil entries because these are all evil entries. So I also passed 4 more after this, and then today this. As I said, it would have been great if I'd taken also with the other PAs, but ended up being still a nice Tradify 50k pass. Was very, very nice. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you about today. So today, going to the day, Asia displaced at the start, then dumped, and London followed. Actually, this is a first presented gap, I think, of Thursday. First presented gap of, Tuesday. Damn. So it goes a long way back. And look how price refers to it. Refers to it here, 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 here. Just is rotating. I mean, it's kind of a magnet and it's keeping price up, okay? So this is kind of the barrier of today. So as we can see here, price referred to this gap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, okay, before New York. So then we open New York, we don't have a new week opening gap, we don't have a big new day opening gap, so nothing for that. We displace, we go perfectly to the London high, okay? And actually it was a trade that I took with my last alpha challenge, which ended up being a loss because I still had like 600 left on my drawdown that actually stopped me perfectly to then going to my target. This was a trade I should have taken with the PAs, but considering it was a Monday no news, taking a trade super early in the session, I mean, technically these trades, and especially when you are back in PAs, when you're back on funded, you're kind of a bit more hesitant. So it's things that I don't have to do. I take it. If it works, good. If it doesn't, fine. But yeah, I mean, with this place, we could kind of see that this was a consolidate power free. So consolidation, manipulation up, and then distribution to the downside. My stop, my TP, this is all low resistance liquidity. So it's kind of a trend line of lows that were not tapped. Okay, so this could have been the TP, of course also London lows, but my maximum TP would have been the midpoint of this gap or the London lows also. And then I mean, I took it. Unfortunately I got stopped about here, but I would have kept my stop here. So this was a nice entry. We displace, we create the first presented gap, which is very important, of Monday. And then after immediately taking the London highs, you see how also the bodies respect perfectly the high. Boom, displays down. We have this candle that it's a bit weird, but still we push down. We inverse this. I think this is a 5 minute. So also an entry here could have been great, but we kind of went back to entry, okay? And then I mean, it was a good trade. As soon as if you kept your stop here and your TP there, you would have been fine. And price went straight to the point. So after this, we had both London highs and London lows taken, okay? So it was kind of weird because now, we are again. This was also another entry. I put my buy order here, okay? So I put my buy order here, remember, at 56. 56, 25, 56. Stop here, and then TP at or here, or I would have put it also like here, okay, or the session high. I probably would have put in right around here, okay, so like about 40 points. And price just inverse this gap here after taking London lows and almost taking this old low, these old two lows. So I was kind of a bit scared that we left them but we had the V-shaped recovery, we inversed this gap, and we displaced nicely. Nice displacement candle. Just also this wick was a bit weird, so I mean I still put the order, but it didn't fill me, even though maybe this was not maybe an A+, but still ended up working. Then we displace, we come back, we just chop a bit, then we displace higher here, take again this high, session high, we dump. Okay, we dump clearly, again V-shape recovery, another, and the entry could have been as soon as the candle close. But after this big of a move, I just want to wait what price telling me. We inverse all these gaps, this one here, we go back here, okay, we tap again into, in this case, let me take this off. We tap again into this 5-minute inverse that we are referencing, and we tap into this 1-minute gap, okay? So we tap into this, and all the bodies are respecting. So wicks, 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 and then we disrespect this bullish gap. And here I'm like, okay, you know what? This is actually very nice. Could have taken again also with PAs. We have equal lows here and also this low here. So it's a very clear draw. Kind of a bit scared on this week that reacted again from, I said already, the powerful first presented gap of Tuesday. But yeah, I mean, it's always like a game of probabilities. And that's why kind of didn't take it with my PAs, because this was a bad week. And again, we kind of were respecting it coming back, and eventually price went to it. I also kind of tried to record, and the entry I recorded a bit later, but you can see on the reel of today on Instagram, on MOTTAX daily DLY, that the entry and the celebration. And then yeah, after this I close the chart again. Here we refer again to this gap here again, and then we go back to these lows. But for the rest of the day it wasn't much. Again, you can see here how these first presented gaps are so powerful. See, after 2 hours we go back in it again, we close perfectly here up, and then boom. Okay, so this is kind of a closure without context, you know. And then see, this is kind of to a trap. Okay, we have, it's kind of a liquidity pool here, but we just wanted to go back to this gap. It's probably also 15-minute, and probably react almost to the midpoint and dump again. But yeah, regarding New York session, that was for me today what happened. Ended up being nice. Now we have 6 50K accounts, and yeah, I'll be very mindful with them. So the goal, of course, is to arrive to 54K and then take about 1K payout. Of course, it's not perfectly 54, but yeah, right around there. So it will be already 6K, which is a lot, and that will be great. So yeah, we'll keep going, and you guys will see the progress and everything. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.